Spring is in the air, finally. For a lot of people, the RV is coming out from under the cover, or it's being dewinterized, getting ready to hit the road. So we have been on the road, although we've been home for a few weeks. We have not had to winterize our RV. However, we're going to do this video because there's some spring reset things that we're going to be doing that a lot of you will also be doing. Now, we will be doing a few things different this year because there's some new items on the market that we're going to be trying. If you like videos like this, we ask you take a moment, make sure you subscribe, notification bells on. That way when we release new videos, especially these step-by-step DIY things, how to, you will get notified. So the first thing we're going to do, and a lot of you will be doing, is you're going to dewinterize and sanitize your tanks. Now, we never winterize because we spent the winter down where it was warm. However, we haven't sanitized our tanks in probably 6 months. I hate to say that, but I'm going to be sanitizing the holding tank, the freshwater tank, as well as all the lines. Now, normally how we've done it in the past, we've used a bleach solution, right? Quarter cup to the 15 gallons or so. For us, we're probably about 1.5 cups for a 105-gallon tank. And then you put that solution in your tank. And of course, you let it sit there for several hours. But there's some other products out there that are going to work much faster, and they're going to be safer for your system. Now, the bleach works. However, if you put too much or leave it too long, it can be corrosive to rubber seals and other parts inside of your system. So we're going to do something that's a more mild, that won't harm that system, yet is still effective in sanitizing. So there's different products out there. We're going to be trying this blue technology. They just came out with this very recently. It's the bleach-free liquid concentrate for sanitizing. It's good for your RV plumbing system. Now, if you know Blue, they're well known, probably one of the best RV filtration systems on the market. They have their new filtration system with the UV. We're going to be trying that and doing a full video on that, but this is not about that. We're going to be sanitizing, well, one of the things we'll be doing in a video is sanitizing our holding tank. So how we're going to do that, it's very simple. These envelopes come with 2 packets inside them. As you can see here, I opened one up. It's 2 of these packets. Now, these are good for 40 gallons. You're going to mix this with water and then put it into your holding tank. Now, we have a 105-gallon tank, so we're going to use 3 of the envelopes, which is 6 of the packets, because there's 2 packets in each envelope. Now, they do provide instructions in here, and it's different scenarios. So if you want to sanitize with using your, like, run everything through the filtration system, you can do that. We're not going to do ours is packaged up with new filters right now, so we don't need to do that. We're going to just directly dump this into our freshwater tank and go from there. So what I'm going to do is just fill a bucket with water, and then I'm going to mix the sanitation concentrate in here, the bleach-free concentrate. Once this is all mixed up, I will then suck this in and siphon it into my freshwater tank and go from there. We got our bucket filled about half. I'm just going to start putting this solution in. Again, we're going to mix 6 of these envelopes in here. Once this is mixed up, we'll then siphon it into our freshwater tank. Now, we're not only going to be doing the freshwater tank sanitation and the freshwater system, we're also going to be doing some maintenance on the black tank as well as the gray tank, because those are often overlooked, especially that gray tank. Been sitting all winter. You can get some buildup on those sensors, and we're going to do a few things just to keep those sensors working and to make sure everything's working in those tanks. We're inside the motorhome. That solution was siphoned into the freshwater tank, is filled. So we're going to turn the pump on, and then we're just going to run the water to get that solution into the lines. Now, as part of the spring reset, I'm also going to pour a whole bottle of this tank and sensor cleaner. This is a deep cleaner. We're going to pour one 16-ounce into our gray tank via the drain here, and then we're going to pour one of these also into our black tank. And what that is, this liquefied tank sensor, we do this like once a year. It's just going to clean everything up in there. It's going to give it a deep cleaning. I'm doing it now because I'm going to let it sit. There's no limit on how long you can let it sit for. We'll let this sit probably 72 hours a week or so. Fill those tanks up, make sure there's water in there, and then when we dump them, it's going to make sure those sensors and everything is deep cleaned. I am going to go through every faucet faucet, turn it on, both the hot and cold, just to make sure we get that sanitizing solution through the lines. You can see it's a little foamy, and that's expected because that's what the sanitizing solution should be doing. So the solution has been sitting for at least 15 minutes. It's probably closer to a half hour now in the holding tank. So what I'm going to do now is completely drain that holding tank, and then I'm going to refill with fresh water. So how we do it on the Dutch Star, there is a low point drain. We're going to open this up, and that's going to start emptying out the holding tank. Now we're just waiting for our freshwater holding tank to drain before we move on. What's really nice is that, you know, we are sponsored by Liquefied, and they are teamed up with Blue to offer you a spring reset pack. So if you want to sanitize your water system from the inside, the lines in the holding tank, you can do that, of course, with the Blue bleach-free cleaner, but also if you want to hit that black tank, gray tank deep cleaner, you have the tank sensor. Additionally, we use the black tank treatment all the time. We use that every time we're going to use chemicals in our tank because it is enzyme based, and we also do use the gray tank treatment. Now, if you're going to buy all these separately, it's going to cost you about 90 bucks, but they do have a spring package, which you get a pack of this, you get tank sensor cleaner, you get the RV toilet treatment, which is the Liquefied, the original one, and you do get the gray tank treatment, and that is priced at $64.99, which is pretty awesome. If you go to liquefiedrv.com, you can check that out there. If you don't want that setup and you just want to buy product from there, if you use the discount code ENDLESS, you're going to get 20% off, which is pretty awesome. So if you want more information on that, we'll put the link down below. Or once your freshwater tank is empty and drained, you want to refill it, and then you're going to run that fresh water that you have refilled through the entire system, turning on all your faucets, flushing your toilets, doing everything until the water is not foamy anymore. Once that water is no longer foamy, then you know you have clean water. I also suggest that you just hook up to the city water and run clean, fresh water through your system. So we hope this made it simple, not too overwhelming. Again, there's different methods that you can use. There's certainly cheaper methods, but there is a risk of seals and other things not working correctly. I found that when we use the bleach, it takes quite a few gallons of water to run through there to get rid of that bleach smell and kind of that bleach taste. So we want your feedback down below. What are the methods you use to sanitize your system? Also, what are some of the spring maintenance things you do? We're thinking about doing another video, just kind of everything we go through, the deep cleaning and everything, getting ready for the spring as we head back out on the road. If you like videos like this, to the left of us, we'll put our RV DIY playlist. We'll also put our RV travel vlogs playlist. We thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.